This is the Epson V600 photo scanner. In order to scan standard photographs, first we'll begin by opening the lid to the scanner. We will then place the photographs on the scanner, leaving at least half an inch between each photo. Close the lid to the scanner, and then press the blue scan button. On the computer, the scan software should launch. We'll begin now by clicking on the scan button, and the scanner will begin scanning the photographs. This process may take 2 to 5 minutes. For larger stacks, we recommend using the fast photo scanner. Once complete, the photos will be shown in their folder. They can then be opened, and then using the edit button, further rotated and edited. In order to scan slides with the Epson V600, we first need to take the cover off of the backing light. Next, grab the slide adapter, take the letter around your corresponding media, match it to the tab on the adapter, and match that to the slot on the side of the glass. Place it flat on the glass. Next, take your media and place them face down in the individual slide slots. If it's difficult to determine which way is face down, this can be edited after scanning is complete as well. Close the lid to the scanner and press the blue scan button. This will launch the software on the computer as before. Simply click the scan button, and again, allow 2 to 5 minutes for scanning to complete. Once complete, the photos will be shown in their folder, where as before they can be opened and further edited. Scanning negatives is very similar to scanning slides. We will again ensure that the cover is taken off of the backing light. And again, we'll use the adapter, this time lining up the letter A surrounding the slide receptacle to tab A to slot A on the side of the scanner. Next, we'll open up the bed for the negatives and place the negatives face down in the template. Place the cover back on the negatives and close the lid. Once again, we'll press the blue scan button, and once again the scan software will launch. And as before, we'll click the scan button and allow 2 to 5 minutes for scanning to complete. Once completed, the media will be shown in its folder. We can click on the photos and click edit to further refine them. And then when we're all done, we can drag and drop any media that we've scanned onto our USB drive.